I'm Coby, president of Coby's Tentless Termite and Pest Control. Today, while I was out in the field, I found something I think you'll find interesting. So why don't you come with me, and I'll show you what we found.
I wanted to share with you a sound that no homeowner ever wants to hear. See if you can tell what this is. Still not sure? Listen again. Let me give you a clear picture. Don't wait until it's too late. This is the sound you really want to hear. The sound of silence.
Well, I hope you found that helpful. If you have a question about this or any other pest, please give me a call. Our number, 727-462-0400. Once again, I'm Coby, president of Coby's Tentless Termite and Pest Control. For as long as God keeps making them, we'll keep killing them. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you have a great day.